setting up the classic kitchen. It's a matter of undoing the compression catches on the locker door, folding the door up and using this bungee here on the side to secure it in place. Then push both of these tabs down, slide the kitchen out till it locks. Loosen off the wing nuts or lugs here, lift the windshield over, rotate it 180, pull the sink out, drop the windshield back into place and pinch it up. Then lock the windshield here in place and raise the tap faucet. There's also a cutlery drawer at the front. So when you pack away the classic kitchen, it's a matter of making sure you fold down the tap faucet, loosen off these lugs here, lift the shield over and rotate it 180. Slide the sink back into place and lower this over the top. That's going to prevent the sink from banging against the door while you're in transit. Fold down the top lid, push both of the yellow tabs, slide the kitchen away to locked. Then replace the bungee cord, shut the door and do up the two catches, and lastly this catch if you're heading off-road.